So the starting point will be the waistline. Okay, from your waist you measure to your hip, to your crotch, to your knee, and to full length. Okay, then I will highlight the lines, and remember the fabric is on fold. So these are the lines you need: the waist, the hip, the crotch, the knee, and the full length. So now I will mark 1.5 inch at the waistline right there. I will connect it to meet with the hip line. And at the full length, I will mark 1/4 inch. You know, it's a palazzo pants, okay? It's supposed to be more than that, but I decide to mark 1/4 inch. Then I'll connect it to meet with the hip line. Okay, that hip line, I don't want it to be sharp, so I use curve ruler to curve it. You can use freehand as well. So the next thing now is for you to divide your waist measurement by 4. You add your allowance, okay? And you divide your hip measurement by 4 as well. You add your allowance. And for the tie, you are going to divide your tie by 2. And you also add your sewing allowance. And for the leg part, I added a little bit of inch to the waistline. Sorry, the camera didn't capture it because I'm using an elastic, okay? And you also note that I didn't add that to the waistline because I don't want to add it. Alright, you can decide to add that to yours. And at the down part, it all depends on how full you want it to be. I mean, the leg part. So whatever length you decide to use, add your sewing allowance, okay? Then I will connect it to meet with the crotch line. Then at that waist line, I will mark 1 inch downward and connect it that way. I mark 1 inch downward, then connect it. Okay. So this is all. You can see how simple and easy it is. And I will cut it out. So now it's for us to draft the back. So I place the front on the back, and the back is also on fold. Alright. At that part, I'm marking 2 inch. Remember, we deduct 1 inch from the front line. So at the back, I'm marking 2 inch upward. So I'll connect it to meet with the waistline. You can see I mark 1 inch right there. You connect it to meet with that 1 inch. Alright. And for the crotch line, I measure 2 inch. Sorry, the camera didn't really capture it. I measured 2 inch. You connect it that way. If you don't have a curved line, you can use your 2 inch to measure. You can measure 2 inch right there. Then I'm gonna mark 1 inch at that part. Okay, 1 inch to meet with the crotch line. I will connect it. And while cutting it, from the down part, I'll cut it straight. When you get to this 1 inch, you connect it to your hip. All right. Just watch and just do it the way I did mine, and you will get it correctly. So thanks for watching. This is it.